What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the best cases for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 from Urban Armor Gear, so stick around. Welcome back, and huge shout out to the folks over at Urban Armor Gear for sending out these cases for review. And links to both cases mentioned in this video will be available in the video description. In today's video we'll be taking a closer look at the Plyo and the Plasma series cases. In terms of the unboxing, we get an excellent presentation from Urban Armor Gear, with both text and images getting us more familiar with our cases. So first up is the Plyo series case, and opening up the packaging for the very first time, we're presented with the case itself, which meets military drop test standards and feels excellent in the hand. The case is feather light and is compatible with Samsung Pay and wireless chargers. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the case, we have all our appropriate cutouts. On the right side, our power sleep wake button is covered, and on the left side, our volume up and down buttons and dedicated Bixby button is also covered. And on the back is a cutout for our camera system as well as our fingerprint scanner. The case is thin and friction free, which means that it's lint resistant and easily slips in and out of your pocket. Next up is the Plasma series case. The case is feather light with a hard outer shell and a soft impact resistant core, which also meets and exceeds military drop test standards. The case has a soft raised rubber screen lip and a rear skid pad to provide 360-degree protection for your Galaxy Note 9. This case has a really unique look with what appears to be Torx screws and also feels great in the hand. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the case, you can see we have all the appropriate cutouts. On the right side, our power sleep wake button is covered, and on the left side, our volume up and down buttons and dedicated Bixby button is also covered. Taking a closer look at the back of the case, you can see we also have the appropriate cutouts for our camera system and fingerprint scanner. Both of these cases are made extremely well, and I highly recommend them to everyone out there. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down in the video description. Don't forget to drop a like rating down below if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe to the channel to be notified of future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.